Hey, how is it going on? I request you to put the video of the speed to 1.25 or 1.5 and on the subtitles. Enjoy. So, this is gonna be a small and short video over a requested topic that I have got on my Instagram, which is the ternary operator. The ternary operator, which is the if and else statement in Dart. Now many of the programmers get confused between the ternary operator. So in this video, let's clear what is the ternary operator in Dart. So just for a small sake, I would like you to follow me on Instagram so that you can ask me all of your doubts, and I will be making short videos over your particular doubt, which is just like this. The first thing is, what is a ternary operator? Now consider ternary operator just as an if-else statement. That is a small conditional statement that you can use with your logic in your code to make something small, short, longer or smaller. So without any further theoretical knowledge, let's jump into coding. So here, if you see my app, I have nothing but a small circle avatar of donuts image and a button of press me. After pressing it, nothing's gonna happen. We can do one thing, that is increase or decrease the size of our donuts image by pressing this button. But how? The simple solution is using ternary operator. So to use a ternary operator, you just have to assign a small logic over your button as well as a boolean variable for the ternary operation. Let's do one thing, that is instead of just printing pressed, we should increase the height of our donuts image by using ternary operator. So for that, you can simply remove it from here, and here at the top of the initialization, a boolean of pressed is equal to false, which will be its default state. Now after pressing this button, we have to change the state of the pressed boolean from false to true. So we can come down here on our onPress method and here simply write set state of the current context of the widget to be true. Now after pressing the current button, the state of this pressed boolean variable will change to true from false. But now after pressing this, still nothing gonna happen, because we have to use our boolean thing on our target, which is we have to shrink or expand a particular widget. So here, instead of radius to be static, which is 150, we can simply say if the boolean variable that is pressed is true, the state of the boolean variable is true, which is by default false. But if it is true, the size will be 300 else, and the else will be denoted by a colon, and else if the press is not pressed, that is the pressed is only false itself, the height will be 150. Press Ctrl and S. Now we can reload our app once, and here you can see the size of our image is 150, which is by default state under the else statement. But here after pressing this button, it will be changing accordingly. The drawback of using ternary operator is you can't make things dynamic. That is, the thing gonna be changing only one time at a time. But you can also do one thing, assign two different buttons for a particular image to change the state accordingly. So here I can simply copy our material button and paste it here. Let's say press me to, press Ctrl and S. Okay, so we have our next button here, and here on pressing it, the boolean variable will change state to false. And here if I simply press this button, the size will be gonna decrease because the boolean state will be now false. And here after pressing this, it will be increasing. After pressing it, it will be decreasing. Now I hope you are clear with what is a ternary operator and how can we use it with our own logic in changing the size and shapes of our widgets. Now consider ternary operator just as an if-else statement where you have to declare your target variable of the boolean variable at the start of the widget, and here you can use question mark as an if and also a colon for a else statement, and here it will say if the pressed button is clicked, the size of the widget will be 300, else, that is colon as a form of else, the size of the widget will be 150. Now I hope you are clear with what is a ternary operator by using the following example, increasing and decreasing the height of the donuts. Yeah, I love donuts. So this was all about the ternary operator that you can use for making your widgets dynamic. So I recommend you to follow me on Instagram so that you can ask me your doubts in private window, and I will be trying to solve your doubts on direct messages itself. Else, I will be making a small and short video over that. And in this way, we have completed a ternary operator. So if you have loved this tutorial, kindly like this video. Also, if you have any doubts about the ternary operator, you can comment down in a comment section. As well as if you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Abhishek. And if you find something meaningful, press the subscribe button along with the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.